Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Saskatchewan at 11:25 a.m. Central Standard Time, Wednesday, September 1st, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for rural municipality of Dundurn, including Dundurn and Blackstrap Provincial Park. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for rural municipality of Colonsay, including Colonsay and Meacham, rural municipality of Butcher, including Allen, Clavette, Bradwell, and Elstow, and regional municipality of Lost River, including South Allen and the Allen Hills. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for rural municipality of Morris, including Watrous, Young, and Zelma.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour une alerte d'orage violent pour sud de la Saskatchewan à 11h19, heure normale du centre, le mercredi 1 septembre 2021. Une alerte d'orage violent est maintenue pour la municipalité rurale de Colonsay, incluant Colonsay, et Meacham, la municipalité rurale de Butcher, incluant Allen, Clavette, Bradwell, et Elstow, municipalité régionale de Lost River, incluant South Allen et les collines Allen, et la municipalité rurale de Morris, incluant Watrous, Young et Zelma. Une alerte d'orage violent est annulée pour la municipalité rurale de Aberdeen, incluant Aberdeen, et la municipalité rurale